Ashad my viewers, are you tired of writing all the text on a Google for searching some question, and you are interested to just click a picture and then copy all the text from that picture and search there in Google? So you are at the right place. I'm going to tell you that how you can do. So simply what you have to do, just open the Google. As you know, in every Android mobile or window there is a Google or a Chrome browser. So after opening the Google, what you have to do, simply click on this I icon. When you click on the I button, it will take you to your library. So simply select the document from which you want to copy the text. So I opened this document, which is basically a paper. I wanted to search part C of question 3. So I simply click on this select text which is appearing here and bring it to only this much option. Now I simply copy. I will paste the text here that I copied from the previous picture. Basically that was my question. Now I will search that question in Chrome browser or in a Google. Now here you can see the different results that I got from that research and different sites. Now I simply open the check. Here is the full answer on a check. Check is basically a site or a platform which provides the solutions of different difficult numericals. If you do not have the check subscription, then you can contact me for specific question answers. So this is from my side. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with your friends and subscribe as well. Thank you very much.